Chemistry Trap Series Part 2, this time involving pH of a solution. What is the pH of 1 times 10 raised to negative 9 molar HCl at 25 degrees Celsius? We know that for strong acids, ang pH lang ay negative log ng H plus or H3O plus concentration. But for this case, kapag ginawa natin yon sa 1 times 10 raised to negative 9 molar concentration, ang magiging pH ay 9. Which should be wrong kasi ang HCl ay acid. So, dapat less than 7 yung makompute natin. For very dilute solutions, we should account for the autoionization of water. Kasi yung water, it splits into H plus and hydroxide ions. And to solve for the H plus concentration at 25 degrees, yung Kw ay equal lang sa 1 times 10 raised to negative 14. So to get the H plus concentration, square root ng Kw. Yung pure water, meron siyang H plus concentration na 1 times 10 raised to negative 7 molar. Finally, to solve for the total H plus, ipag-add lang natin yung H plus na galing sa acid, 1 times 10 raised to negative 9, and yung H plus na nanggaling sa pure water. So that should be equal to 1.01 times 10 raised to negative 7, and by getting the negative logarithm of it, makocompute natin yung pH equal to 6.996, which is less than 7.